Hi, it's Ravi Dahiya. Welcome back, family and friends. Today we're going to talk about a question that I get quite a bit, which is about thread lifts or PDO threads. This is something that's actually been a topic for quite a while now. It seems to have had a recent resurgence as people are looking for non-invasive ways to get tightening or lifting. And overall, I would say my general reaction to them has been fairly negative. The first several generations that I saw probably 10 years ago weren't that great. I saw a lot of patients either not have long-lasting results or have results where they could sort of see some tethering under the skin, which they weren't happy with, or just were kind of underwhelmed by the results overall. So I've always kind of held back on incorporating them into my practice. I will say recently I'm a little bit more optimistic about some of the results. I've actually been using a particular brand, Silhouette Threads, which I like better for a couple of reasons. One is instead of having sort of this hook on them, they have a cone which is much more tapered and soft. It also has PLLA, which is basically a material that's going to stimulate collagen production. So because of this sort of innovation, I've just been more open to trying them and have seen some pretty good results. And I say pretty good because I'm always cautious about kind of over-promising what a treatment can do. I'd rather make sure that we give modest expectations and real expectations. So bottom line is, this is not a substitute for a facelift. There are times where a facelift is absolutely the best option. Having said that, obviously not everyone's ready for a facelift, whether it's because they're emotionally not ready or physically, they just don't need that. So this can be a nice option for a very select type of patient. Because oftentimes if someone's not ready for a surgical facelift, there are other things we can do, like adding volume, using a laser to tighten the skin. Not all patients who are not surgical candidates need a thread lift. There are some patients where we can get a great result using a combination of fillers and some sort of skin tightening. Often that means laser resurfacing. So bottom line is, the best way to really know if you're the right candidate is to go see someone who's well-trained, and make sure you kind of really understand the pros and cons for your specific concerns and needs, and talk about the other options. Would fillers and laser be better for you? Is the thread lift the right thing? Or is surgery really going to be the answer? I think only after having a thorough discussion of all those options can you really make that right decision. So bottom line is, can they work? Yes, they can. You just have to make sure it's right for you. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have more specific questions, obviously you can always come see me, give our office a call. We can even do virtual consultations if you're too far from us. So hopefully that was helpful, and hope to see you again soon. Thank you.